How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna unbox the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max in the new color, as you can see, natural titanium in day one. So excited for this, guys. On top of that, I'm also gonna show you the new case that replaces the leather case. This one is called the Fine Woven by Apple. It's green, as you can see. It looks amazing, and I'm sure you're gonna love this. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so right in front, I've got this beautiful image with the new wallpaper, which I really like, actually. On the side, you're gonna see iPhone right there already with the new color, the natural titanium. You're gonna see it in a second. You're gonna love it. So iPhone as well, Apple logo, and Apple logo. Okay, on the back, same stuff as we're used to, iPhone 15 Pro Max right there, 256, which is the base storage. Talking about pricing, which is always very important, there was a little bit of an increase, right? So this model starts at $1,200, but there's a storage upgrade as well, which is always very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. We've got those tabs right here, top and bottom. So we go ahead and peel them off. And same story with the one in the bottom. And then we can just go ahead and place it on the table, because that's how you're supposed to open an iPhone, right? So go ahead, lift the top lid, and then there we go. New iPhone, new color, natural titanium. It's gray, but not really. So you're gonna see that color in a second. It changes and it varies so much depending on the lighting. Okay, let's put it on the side right here and take a look at the rest of the box. We've got here the cable, which is finally USB-C on both ends. So USB-C and USB-C. And the cool thing about this cable is that it's actually braided, as you can see. So it's not your typical like silicone rubberish iPhone cable. No, it's actually braided, which is much more resistant, much better. It's gonna last longer. It feels more premium. Let's put it to the side, move on, and we have this little sleeve, as we always do, right? And then lift it, and we've got the information that it uses eSIM, so there's no eject tool or anything like that, because it's only eSIM, right? We've got some information and a single Apple sticker in white. So one very interesting thing is the cable itself is also white. So regardless of the color of the iPhone, it's not gonna match. It's always going to be white. Okay, so let's get back to the iPhone. Take a look at this color. So good. But actually first, let's go ahead here and remove this first screen protector, right? So it's always very satisfying as well. And then there's nothing really special in the front. I'm going to show you the only difference it has in a second. Now, let's have an overview and let's take a look at the design and what's actually interesting and new and different right here. And we have to talk about the side rails, of course, the frame, which is titanium. That's the whole thing about this iPhone. It's titanium. It's not stainless steel anymore. Titanium is a better material, more premium, more resistant. And I don't know if you noticed, but it actually matches the Apple Watch. So as you can see right here, it's the exact same as the Apple Watch Ultra. Same material, same finish, same color. So it's gonna match so well. As you can see right there, it's exactly the same. Okay, so this is a very good thing. Please keep in mind that the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in other colors as well. So this is the natural one, so hence the name. But of course, we have white, black, and blue. All titanium, but painted in different colors. Another thing that's super important is the back of the iPhone. This back panel right here, it's actually glass, guys. So the titanium is just on the sides. It's just on this frame right here around the device. But the back itself, okay, the back part, everything in the back is glass, just like previous iPhone models. So if you drop it, it's gonna crack. It's gonna break, so it's glass as you're used to. Nothing new, nothing titanium, just on the rails. On top of the new material and colors, of course, we have a difference in design regarding the frame as well, which is it's more rounded. If you compare it to the iPhone 14 Pro, you can see that the 14 Pro has sharper angles, so 90-degree angles. When you go from the back to the side, but on the 15 Pro Max, it's actually a little bit rounded, so it goes around. If you have this feeling that it's not so sharp, as you can see right here on the 14 Pro, and this rounded corner will actually make your iPhone so much more comfortable to hold, more ergonomic. It's so much better. It feels so much better. Now let's have a deeper look on the color itself. Okay, I'm gonna move it around, as you can see, from left to right, changing the angle a lot, changing how the light hits the device. And as you can see right there, it goes from gray, this light gray, to a darker gray, as you can see as well. And it sometimes, depending on the lighting, it may feel a little bit gold or a little bit like champagne color. So like here, as you can see, a little bit yellowish. So you will have all those tones, but in general, it's gray. Okay, it's gray, but sometimes it may vary, as I said, and have this goldish feeling and look. And personally, I really like this. Moving on to the bottom of the iPhone, you see the new USB port right there. And of course, the rest of the design is the same. So speaker, microphone, and an antenna right there. You've got the 5G antenna as well. This is only for American model iPhones, okay, just like before. You also got the side button, so power button, and then more antennas. And on the other side, you've got your volume, so up and down, of course, the new button, the action button. This is so nice. There's no switch anymore. Now it's actually a button, and you can map this to absolutely anything on your iPhone. This is great, guys. Remember I told you I was going to show you something different, and that's the bezels right there. They got a little bit thinner, not too much, but a little bit thinner, as you can see. So it feels more modern, it feels better, it feels a little bit refreshed. And I like this new look, even though it's nothing major, but it's good. And now let's talk about the case. I didn't forget about the case, right? The fine woven green case, the replacement of the Apple leather case. So let's see the new material. Let's see how it feels, the color, of course, and everything we have to take a look. So pulling it up, and what you see is actually the case itself, and that's pretty much it. There's just some paper behind it, but nothing special. It comes together, as you can see, so you can put all that to the side, actually, because there's nothing special. Okay, it's just like warranty and information like that, so nobody really cares about it, do we? So taking a look at the case itself, you can see that it has this suede feel. Actually, you won't be able to feel it, of course, but it's suede. It's so super soft. It's like Alcantara in cars, right? So it's super soft, awesome to the touch, so good and so satisfying. Let's see how this ages, right? Because it may tear after a few weeks. Actually, on the side we've got this rubber finish, so it's different. The back is suede and the side is rubberish. The buttons themselves are like kind of metal, like they always are. And you've got matching buttons, of course, and the bottom here is closed. I love when it's closed. I don't like those Apple cases that are opened, actually. And that's pretty much it, okay? The inside is, like always, suede as well. So let's go ahead and pop the iPhone in, and let's see how it looks. Let's see if it matches. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me if you think it looks good or not, or if it's tacky and ugly. I think that's the best look, best match I could find with the new colors. And that's how it looks. That's how it feels. And I honestly really like this combo. And yeah, let me know. And so that's it. That's my unboxing and first impressions of the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium on day one. So please let me know what you thought about this color, this iPhone overall, the new features like the action button, and of course the USB-C. And if you liked it, if you're gonna get the new iPhone, please let me know. I'm super excited for your feedback, and of course a ton of new content very soon here on Dan About Tech. Okay, so that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video as usual, guys. Bye bye.